Technology investors should be aware of Part 2. Biotechnology. At its simplest, biotechnology is technology based on biology. It harnesses cellular and biomolecular processes to develop technologies and products that help us improve our lives and the health of our planet. Humans have been using biotechnology since the dawn of civilization. Egyptians used yeast to bake leavened bread, the Chinese developed fermentation techniques for brewing beer and making cheese, and today scientists are using biotechnologies to understand the human genome, develop new vaccines, and discover new ways of treating illness and injury. The uses of biotechnology are innumerable and are currently used in the fields of medicine, agriculture, industrial manufacturing, and conservation. Some of the most promising new biotechnologies include CRISPR-Cas9, tissue nanotransfection, recombinant DNA technology, genetic testing kits such as 23andMe, synthetic genomes and cells, cell-free biosynthesis, and therapeutic biomanufacturing. Each of these innovations has potential to radically reframe how we approach healthcare and wellness, but it is important to consider that biotechnologies carry several ethical concerns that an investor should consider before making an investment. New biotechnologies must undergo rigorous testing and approvals, and it is important to understand what stage of approval the product is in. Depending on the application, the product must be approved by either the APHIS, the EPA, or the FDA. Understanding the stage of development is requisite to gauge when the technology can become commercialized. Nanotechnology is defined as the branch of technology that deals with dimensions and tolerance less than 100 nanometers, especially the manipulation of individual atoms and molecules. Although it sounds like something out of Star Trek, nanotech has been used since the early Greek period. Combinations of gold or silver nanoparticles were often integrated into finishes for cups, stained glass windows, and ceramics, giving them enhanced properties. An excellent example of this is Damascus steel. Damascus steel contains carbon nanotubes and cement-tight nanowires, resulting in an ultra-high carbon steel formation that produces a stronger, more resilient blade. Today, tremendous strides have been made in the field of nanotechnology, from the field ion microscope capable of viewing the arrangement of atoms, to the integrated circuit, which now powers essentially the entire modern world. Nanotechnology is the cutting edge of what is possible. More practically, nanotechnology is also responsible for consumer products such as scratch-proof eyeglasses, stain-repellent fabrics, ceramic coatings for solar panels, and food coatings to preserve freshness. The applications of nanotechnologies are so broad that it is simpler to consider it a general-purpose technology, as it is used in basic chemicals, cosmetics, agriculture, food manufacturing, electronics, instrumentation, bioengineering, pharmaceuticals, textiles, and more. Professional investors have deployed capital into products such as carbon nanotube body armor, surface protection materials, solar panels, food packaging products, transdermal patches, and bandages that use noble metals. Often, nanotechnology can add enhanced characteristics and properties to existing products, making them more effective, durable, desired, or efficient. To learn more about Cebron Capital, visit cebroncapital.com.